If your dog looks like a dancer, you're in for a treat. Let's boogie with Buddy. Meet Buddy, the dog who puts paw in possum. When the music starts, you won't believe your eyes. Watch those twirls, spins, and tail wags. Buddy's got the rhythm in his bones and the groove in his paws. He's not just a good boy, he's a dancing machine. Whether it's the cha-cha or the moonwalk, Buddy's got it down. And you thought your dance moves were cool. Got any pets with hidden talents? Share your videos in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more possum content. Let's give Buddy a round of applause.